I am Jordan Tischler, and today I'm going to aim to show you why essential oils can help you finish a project on time.
Are you having problems like this guy trying to stay up and focus in order to finish your project on time? Then this product is for you, the new Cedarwood Essential Oil. With amazing components like alpha-sidrine, it helps you keep calm, anxiety-free, and fully focused. Not only that, it helps make your room smell like an entire cedar forest. Now, what's a better smell than a cedar wood forest for a forestry student? That's right, nothing. Now you're probably thinking, how do I use this amazing product? Well, all you'll need is the essential oil, a diffuser, and a cup of water. All you need to do is put the water in the diffuser to the fill line. Then take your essential oil and put it in the water. Now make sure when putting in the essential oil, you put as much as possible so you can definitely get that project done on time. Just make sure it's plugged in and just witness as your anxiety floats away. Now look at this happy customer just typing away, finishing his project on time. Hey you, are you satisfied with this product? Yeah, you are. Well, looks like my job here is done, folks. Hopefully now our no project will go unfinished. Thanks for watching.